can see their work done.
Yeah, it was a tight fit, but I got it to go.
You did it. Wow, looks good, buddy. Oh yeah, we did it. Shit. I mean you. But now I know where to look. Dude, that was baffling me.
Yeah, plug it back in.
Oh yeah. Shit. I'm gonna miss this place. Not.
All good, huh?
All good. So this light doesn't come out from this side, it only comes out from the back?
I mean, I'm sure it will, but I have all this.
Stupid, huh?
You know what's really stupid is they have all the lights riveted on.
Wow. Yeah, I noticed that.
Instead of the old school numbers,
Right.
instead of rivet, they have a flat plate and they're riveted. So when you gotta change them all, you gotta take the rivets off and
That's crazy. I'm gonna look at the other side. Yeah. This side doesn't matter, huh? There you go. Boss will be loved. It's a good company. Definitely use them again.